Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. We are going to present to you our group project titled Soursop Snacks. Before that, let me introduce to our group members. My name is Nur Alina and others group members Muhammad Izan and Muhammad Sharizman. With our supervisor Madam Marini, and we are from Politeknik Jeli Kelantan. Okay, we move to the introduction. The title of project is Soursop Snacks. Soursop is the main ingredient of this project. So, why we choose soursop as a snack? It is because before this, people make the soursop as a juice, not for snack. Next, soursop is a tropical plant that originated in tropical America and was introduced to Southeast Asia by the Spaniards. It is sweet, sour sweet and sour flavor with natural source of carbohydrate. It can keep you fresh and supply enough energy. Next, soursop has a high content of fructose, which is a simple form of sugar monosaccharide. This fruit can also increase endurance due to the high content of vitamin C. Okay, for the snack, if choosing rightly, can fit into a healthy eating plan and provide an energy boost between meals. In this study, we try to create a healthy formulation of snack from soursop. Then, the tasty comparison between taste, texture and aroma of soursop snacks, sweet potato chip and banana chips. Finally, to analyze of nutrient content of soursop snacks. Okay, next we move to the methodology. Okay, this is the material for this project. Next, this is the equipment for this project. Okay, next Izan will continue this presentation.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Izan. Okay, today I will present about the procedure. Okay, step 1, fruit preparation. Peel the soursop skin. Step 2, cleaning. Wash and clean the soursop filling. Okay, step 3, blend. Blend the soursop until crush. Okay, step 4, mixing. Mix 250 gram wheat flour, 300 gram rice flour, 175 gram corn flour, 10 grams salt, 50 grams sugar, 1 kilo soursop filling, 250 ml water and mix well. Step 5, formation. Snip and shape the dot into a long shape, then cut using a knife. Okay, step 6, frying. Fry the snack until crispy. Step 7, flavor addition. Mix the ready fried soursop snack according to the prescribed flavor. Step 8, packaging. Soursop snack packaging process. The soursop snack. This is the product we produce as seen on this slide. This snack has 3 flavors. This is the flavor. The flavor is original, spicy and cheese. Formulation. For the soursop snack formulation is as in the following table, where the total amount we collect is 2016 gram, while the percentage is 100%. Nutrition analysis. From the result of the laboratory, the result we get energy 406 calorie, carbohydrate 83.4 gram, protein 6.5 gram, fat 5.1 gram.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syarizman bin Muhammad Fauzi, and today I will to explain about the graph in the slide. The first graph is a comparison. We have three types of snack, and the number one is potato chips, number two is banana chips, and the lastly is Soursop Snack. A majority choose a potato chip, which are 33.6%. For banana chips is 33.4%, and the lastly is for Soursop is 33%. Okay, the second graph is flavor. A majority choose a spicy flavor over cheese and original flavor, which are 60%. Okay, next we go to the questionnaire analysis. We have three things, and the number one is for the taste. A majority agree that this snack give an interesting taste, which was 51%. Okay, the second is for the aroma. A majority agree that the snack emitted an attractive, which was 54%. And the lastly is for the texture. A majority agree that the resulting texture was suitable, which was 57.1%, but have 2.9% that not agree with the texture. And the next we go to the discussion. For the test, there are also some opinions by respondents to add more types of flavor. For the aroma, with the right dose of ingredient can further enhance the aroma of Soursop Snack. And lastly, for the texture, there are some respondents who suggest to further thin this Soursop Snack. Okay, for the conclusion, the overall objective of this project has been complete, and the production of Soursop Snack with 3 flavors has been fully implemented. Overall, according to the respondent who respond, the snack received a high response that can be commercialized at a higher level. Okay, the lastly, reference. That's some reference that we use to complete our projects. That's all from us. Thank you.